Hey there and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet extended stitches. These are stitches that are in between sizes. We'll say maybe half sizes. So extended single crochet, which is it would sit height-wise between a single crochet and a half double crochet. Extended half double crochet, which would sit between a half double crochet and a double crochet if you were going by height. And finally, the extended double crochet, which would sit between the double crochet stitch and the treble crochet stitch. If you look at these, I made a little tiny triangle here. Let me see if I can zoom in, or I might just, oh, that'll work. Okay, so this first stitch here is a single crochet. This next one is an extended single crochet, half double crochet, extended half double crochet, double crochet, extended double crochet, and finally a treble crochet. See how it makes a nice gradual incline there? Alright, these stitches are really easy to do. It just involves one little extra chain one at the beginning. So grab a hook, grab some yarn, and we will start off with the extended single crochet. I have my 6mm Furls Streamline Swirl crochet hook and some, what is this? Red Heart with Love from my stash. I don't remember the color, maybe Iced Aqua? Something like that. I don't remember. Alright, to get started, you're just going to make any number of chains. It doesn't matter. 1, 2, I'm gonna do 10. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Starting in the second chain from your hook, you're going to insert your hook, pull up a loop. Now here is where that extra chain one comes in. So you're going to make a chain one and then finish your single crochet by yarning over and pulling through 2 loops. There we go. Let's do another one. So insert your hook, pull up a loop, chain one, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Let's do a few more. Insert your hook, pull up a loop, chain one, finish your single crochet. Insert your hook into the chain, pull up a loop, chain one, finish your single crochet. This is what it looks like so far. So let's just finish out that row. Insert your hook, pull up a loop, chain one, finish your stitch. Insert your hook, pull up a loop, chain one, finish your stitch. There you go. And to move on to the next row, you just chain one and turn and keep working extended single crochets all the way across. Nope, don't yarn over. Insert your hook, pull up a loop, chain 1, finish your stitch. Alright, let's make the extended half double crochet. I'm going to make 10 chains again. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Alright, so yarn over like you were going to start a regular half double crochet, and then in the second chain from your hook, insert into your chain there, pull up a loop, and here's where we add our chain 1. Chain 1, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Alright, let's do that again. So start with a yarn over, insert your hook and pull up a loop, chain 1, maybe, chain 1, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Let's do another one. Yarn over, insert your hook and pull up a loop, chain 1, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. A couple more. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, chain 1, and then finish your half double crochet. So you're just going to do that all the way across your row. You can work these stitches in the round or in rows, any way that you would use a half double crochet. Here we are at the end. To start the next row, chain 1 and turn, yarn over, working in that same stitch at the base of your chain 1, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull up a loop, chain 1, yarn over, pull through 3. There we have it. Alright, last on our agenda is the extended double crochet. Alright, I have my 10 chains again. This time we're going to work into the 3rd chain from our hook. These 2 skipped chains will not count as a stitch. So yarn over like you were going to start a regular double crochet, insert your hook, pull up a loop, chain 1, and now you're going to do your double crochet. So you're going to yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, yarn over, pull through the last 2. Okay, let's do a few more. Start with the yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, chain 1, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through the last 2. Yarn over, insert your hook and pull up a loop, chain 1, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Insert your hook, pull up a loop, chain 1, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Let's finish the end of this row. Now would be a really good time to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell for notifications so you can be notified each time I release a new video tutorial, which lately has been every week. Alright, here we are at the end. Do the chain 1, pull through 2, pull through the last 2. So there's our row. To start the next row, you're going to chain 2, which I am not counting as a stitch. Turn, and then make your first stitch at the base of your chain 2. You could do a chain 3 and then start in this stitch, but I just prefer to not count it, to do the chain 2 and not count it as a stitch. There's not as big of a hole on the edges that way. All right, so insert your hook, chain 1, pull through 2, pull through 2, yarn over, oops, insert your hook, chain 1, pull through 2, pull through 2. And that's it. Now once using this knowledge, I mean, you could make an extended treble crochet, extended double treble crochet. All you have to do is put a chain 1 in that first step after you insert your hook and pull up a loop. So here are our 3 stitches. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.